G'day guys, I'm back. This time I'm near a place called Nundle, which is kind of northwest of Barrington Tops, New South Wales. I'm in the Nundle State Forest and I'm here with my brother-in-law, Nathan Stewart, from Edge of the Outback. That's his hunting YouTube channel, vastly more popular than my own. So I'll leave a link to his channel for his version of this trip. It'll be in the description down below if you want to pop in there, have a look and comment the F out of it.
All the time, every sort of 20 minutes, changes again and again, so really pretty country. We're on the edge of a new river at the moment, which is nice to see. We should get a couple more crossings up here, which will be fun. That's a cool angle, Steve.
Ooh, got to warm me so I can suck my guts in. Okay guys, so if you're wondering how you too can do this trip, just follow Google Maps until you get to a place called Elliston. There you'll find the Packer horse stud. It's quite impressive. From there, head towards Glenrock and take the Hunter Road through the mountains of Glenrock Station all the way to Nundle. It's a fantastic drive, as you can see, but if there's been a lot of rain, those creek crossings could get dangerous.
Just packed the car up after lunch and went to leave. Nearly forgot the GoPro. We all went to get in and went, oops, it's taking the time lapse. Hey, Steve reckons it's not going to rain this afternoon. No, I don't know if he's listening.
No, there's a bit of thunder, but
heap of thunder out there.
It's going around us.
Some big clouds. He might be right. It might go around us. We'll see.
We'll be right.
Breaking up yet?
You need the shovel?
Got this.
Yeah. The shovel just have. It must be a bit good.
We don't want to get any of this in the bread, do we? Oh, lots of smoke. Oh,
Oh, you're disgusting.
right, are you ready?
Yeah.
Moment of truth. Let's have a look. Woo! That looks perfect.
Is it ready?
That's ready.
Look at the shark. I'm a crocodile.
Righto, mate. What's been the best bit today?
Four-wheel driving.
Oh, that looks good. It looks really good.
Single vehicle heading north on Hunter Road. Nothing head out. Do that again.